Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your dirty, ugly looking smartphone bag into this. So without any further ado, let's get started. All the things you are going to use in this video will not cost you a lot. For example, I'm not going to say a chemical like sodium, hydrogen, chloride, oxidized acid.
कुछ भी
You get the point. It's not expensive. But before moving on to the actual topic of the video, let me tell you a small story. Now I went on YouTube and searched about the same topic, and I regret doing that because people were crazy. For a moment I thought, did I search how to clean smartphone bag or Sanjeev Kapoor's recipe? Because that's what people were doing. I was just scrolling down and I saw a guy using toothpaste to clean the bag. Dude, it's paste. Only we Indians know the true value of toothpaste. And not just that, I saw other guy using pepper and another guy using salt. And I was like,
कुछ भी
but we are not like them, friends. We are OP, we are unique. We are just going to use some simple stuff which will be lying there in your kitchen. That is a bowl of baking soda, and then a bowl of water, and then your finger to clean your dirt. Now take your material which you are using to clean the dirt, dip it in water, make sure it's nice and wet, and then take it back and dip it in the baking soda, and then take a mobile phone and start cleaning the dirt. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below what other videos you want to see. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.